Hello everyone, my name is Smita Babladi. I am from A.G. Patil Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today we will discuss on the topic features and pin diagram of 8085. What will be the learning outcome from this session? At the end of this session, student will be able to understand features and pin diagram of 8085. The contents are features of 8085 and pin diagram of 8085. Let us discuss one by one features of 8085. It has 8-bit microprocessor. It operates on very low voltage, that is a plus 5 volt power supply. It operates on 3 MHz clock frequency. It has 16-bit address line, that is A0 to A15. In that A0 to A7 are lower address line which are multiplexed with D0 to D7. As we know that 16-bit address line, so we can access 64 kilobyte of memory. The starting of this memory is 000H2FFFFH. It provides 8-bit I/O addresses, so we can connect 256 I/O devices to our microprocessor. The address of these ports starting 00H2FFH. It supports 74 in operation and 256 instruction. As we know that in this 8085 ALU is inserted. So the ALU performs addition, subtraction, ANDing, ORing, XORing operations. It has 8-bit general purpose register, that is B, C, D, E, H, N. It has also 16-bit register SP and PC, that are stack pointer and program counter. It has also 8-bit accumulator, flag register and instruction register. It provides 5 hardware interrupts, that are trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR. In this, trap is the highest priority interrupt. It has I/O control for serial communication and interrupt control for handling interrupts. It provides control signals. It has ability to share the system bus with a direct memory access. It has 2 signal S0 to S7. Let us discuss about pin diagram of 8085. In this, on the left hand side, it is a pin diagram of 8085 and it is a signal diagram of 8085. Then what is the difference between both these diagrams? The signal diagram is showing which pin is input to the microprocessor and which is output from the microprocessor. Now let us discuss pin diagram of 8085. Here at the top of the pin diagram you can see the notch is here present. So left of this notch the pin number 1 is present and up to 40. So 8085 has 40 pin IC. X1 and X2 are provided to connect the external crystal to our 8085 IC. With the help of this external crystal, we can produce 3 MHz clock frequency. As we know that it operates on 3 MHz clock frequency, so we can connect here 6 MHz crystal oscillator. Why we are required 6 MHz? Because it will divide the frequency by 2. Reset output is provided at the 3. SOD and SID, that are serial output data, serial input data, which are used for serial communication. Trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, INTR, all these are 5 hardware interrupts. In this, trap is the highest priority interrupt. INTA bar is a interrupt acknowledgement. Here from 12 to 19 are AD0 to AD7 pins are provided. In this, when ALE pin is 1, all these pins are acting as a address line. When this ALE pin is 0, all these pins are acting as a data lines. The ground pin is connected to ground and VCC is connected to plus 5 volt power supply. Hold and hold acknowledgement is used for direct memory access. Clock out pin is provided to synchronize the other devices with our microprocessor. Reset in pin is provided to reset this whole 8085 IC. Ready pin is available while the data is accepting or not. Means when ready is 1, data will be accepted. When the ready signal is 0, the data will not be accepted. IO/M-bar is pin provided here. While we are dealing with the memory, this pin will be 0. While we are dealing with the IO ports, this pin will be 1. S1 and S0 are the control signal. Read and write signal is here provided to read and write operation. A8 to A15s are higher order address bits. So student, you will understand the pin diagram of 8085. Here the some description of 8085. You can see here the address bus and the data bus. Control bus signals are ALE, IO/M-bar, S0, S1, read bar, write bar, ready. All these are control signals. Power supply and clock frequency. VCC is a plus 5 volt, VSS is a ground reference. X1 and X2 we can connect here external crystal. Clock out. This signal can be used as a system clock for the other devices. All these are 5 interrupts as we discussed before. Reset signals, which are they? Reset in and reset out. With the help of hold and hold acknowledgement, we can access the DMA signal. Now you will understood all the features and pin diagram of 8085. Here is one assignment for you. List out the features of 8085. Thank you.